Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Rizka Tani Rizal. In this video, I will make an English discussion video for. What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What is the date today?
Today is May 8.
What season is now?
It's spring.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm reading a book time travel.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Have you finished it?
Not yet. I've read 5 chapters so far.
Wow. How long have you been reading it?
I've been reading it since yesterday afternoon.